Understanding emotional factors of trading. The psychology of trading. It's a fascinating subject, isn't it? I mean, who wouldn't want to know what goes on inside the mind of a trader? Trust me, it's a roller coaster of emotions. Strap yourselves in, folks, because we're about to dive deep into the twisted world of the trader's mind. First up, we have managing fear and anxiety. Picture this. You just made a trade, and suddenly, a wave of fear washes over you. What if it goes wrong? What if you lose all your hard-earned money? Don't worry, it's completely normal to feel like your heart is about to explode. But hey, take a deep breath and repeat after me. I will not let fear control me. Next, we have the ever-elusive task of controlling greed. Greed. The ultimate enemy of every trader. It beckons you with promises of untold riches and lulls you into a false sense of security. But here's the thing, my friend. Greed will lead you down a dark path. So remember, there is no such thing as a sure thing in the trading world. Keep your greed in check and make wise decisions. Now let's talk about dealing with frustration and stress. Oh boy, this is a tough one. Trading can be incredibly frustrating, especially when things don't go according to plan. But throwing your computer out the window is not the solution. Trust me, I've tried. Instead, find healthy ways to cope with the stress. Take breaks, go for a walk, or maybe even scream into a pillow. Just don't let frustration get the best of you. So there you have it, folks. The wild and wonderful world of understanding emotional factors in trading. Remember, managing fear and anxiety, controlling greed, and dealing with frustration and stress are crucial skills to master. Stay tuned for the next chapter. Managing cognitive factors. Trust me, it's going to be mind-blowing. See what I did there? Mind-blowing? Trading? No. Okay, moving on.